given the circumstances that have taken place in Luzerne County this year with the corruption charges and so forth, there is among some circles this sort of outsider, among some voters, there's this let's go for the outsiders.
Mm-hmm.
You spend a lot of time in the courthouse. Is that going to work against you, or in positions related to the county?
I mean, I would certainly hope that it would work for me. I mean, I've worked I'm a lawyer. Most lawyers spend a good portion of their time in the courthouse. I've served administrations under both Republicans and Democrats in the DA's office. I'm proud of my experience there. I'm there now and head of 2 homicide cases back under Jackie Carroll. And I think that's one of the real important things that I've been running on is my experience. The fact that I've had so many jury trials that I feel confident in the courtroom and I know my way around the courtroom, have a good handle on the rules of evidence, could feel very comfortable walking in handling a capital homicide case or any type of civil case. I think my 8 years under Barry Stankus were very helpful to me to get into an area that I didn't know a lot about, which was mortgage foreclosure, which, as we know, has been unfortunately a booming area, especially with the meltdown of the bank industry. So I don't believe that I'm terribly politically connected, but I have spent a lot of time in the courthouse, and I think that in each of my positions I've had there, it's just made me a better candidate for this position.
Having spent a lot of time in the courthouse, had you at any time prior to January of this year suspected any judge on Luzerne County Court of Common Pleas was acting illegally or unenforceably?
No.
You had no hint?
No, I really didn't, and I was I didn't, of course, practice over in the juvenile area at all. I think once I represented a client who was a victim in a juvenile case. I was trying to think about that as to whether I'd ever been in there when Judge Chevreau was handling the juvenile side. And I did appear before Judge Conahan on occasion, but not too much, motions, things like that. And so, no, I really didn't have any idea that the criminal activity that was going on.
Right.
I mean, nor the expanse that we've seen as it breaks out into other areas.